Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I wanted to share something that, let me take off my autofocus. I wanted to share our 24 days of Christmas. I'm in this group on Messenger, and we decided to do or swap 24 items for Christmas. It could be crafty, it could be something bought, it could be something that we have that we're not using and we're going to pass it on, or it's something handmade. Um, so, um, Yesterday we all came on and we opened 8 days of our gifts. Because not everybody can come on and open every day. So we decided to just go ahead and do 8 days. And then by next week, we will be able to open another 8. So I decided I was going to show you all 8 of my gifts from my Santa. And, but I thought it'd be nice to share it gradually. So I'm not going to do it all at once. I'm going to do it every 2 days. So my Santa um, is Nada Creations, and I was Santa to Joyce Falco. So everybody had somebody to send their gifts to, and we were, we've been crafting together and swapping together for about 2 years, so we kind of know each other pretty well. We have a couple new members in our group, so but I think everybody did a great job. Um, so Nada was my Santa, so I'm going to show you day 1 and day 2 that she gave me. So I'm going to show you, this was actually one gift, but each book is per day. So I thought that was a brilliant idea. And she made this bookshelf for me out of this, I think it's a Paris theme paper from Michaels. And oh my gosh, I just love it. It has little feet. So I'm going to have to prop it up somewhere on my messy desk here. So let me show you day 1 and day 2. And then I'll show you day 3 and day 4 on Friday. So look how she's done these. Oh, let me bring you down. Let me see if I can do it this way. Oops. Wonder if, here we go. So she's glittered her dress, her hat, her basket of flowers, and look at this applique that she used on this book. Oh my gosh, Nada, you do such wonderful work. So I've already opened this up, so I already know what these are. So. But when I opened it, I was so surprised. So she made me some of her beautiful, what do you call them, bows. And I have to tell you guys, these are not from a die. Now, I think you can get a die. Is it? No, I don't know. I think she went online and got the pattern for this particular bow, and she fussy cut them out. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh, let me see if it's better if I do it this way. Yeah, you can see it better. And she knows I love bears, so she fussy cut these bears out and put them on the center of these bows. I'm going to hoard them until I'm ready to use them. And then she had gifted me these, what do you call them? They're Polaroid frames. So how cute are these? These would be cute on shakers, I think. I think I'm going to do that. Make little shaker embellishments with these. Too cute. Okay, so that was day 1. Just love that. Here is day 2, and she has glittered up these cocktails. So cute. This bottle of wine, and this paper was really cute. I don't know if I have this paper. Oh, and she, again, with the beautiful applique. This one I'm going to have to do autofocus, I think. I don't know if it, oh, yeah, it's doing it. It's doing it by itself. Okay. So look at this little girl. Isn't she adorable? Oh my gosh. And this is like a book page envelope. Oh gosh, it just went blurry. Sorry. And she's stamped on it. She has a butterfly, this little crochet doily, and a button, some twine. It's so cute. So this actually tucks behind the lace. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh. Okay. So she gave me that, or she made that for me. And then she made this. Look at the gorgeous girl. Oh my gosh. So in the background, there's some applique. Let me come back here. It's weird how this autofocus works. It's not doing it. It's not focusing. I don't know why. Come on, come on. Okay, so this you guys see it's a gorgeous girl, and she's done a little dangle. So it's a paperclip flag. So isn't that cute for journals? And then she made me another one. This one has a cupcake, which I'm not sure if it's going to focus. Oh, come on. For me. Is it focusing? Somewhat. You can see the little cupcake, and it's a bottle cap, and she has this really pretty brown charm on the bottom. So cute. So that is day 2 of our 24 days of Christmas with our little swap on Messenger. So I want to thank everybody for watching. I'll be back on Friday with day 3 and 4. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you on Friday. Bye everyone.